Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you chicken drumstick. It's a 4-pound chicken drumstick and these are fresh. I'm going to make it hot and spicy. 1/4 cup hot Sriracha chili sauce. Parsley flake. I'm going to make a masala with green chili, white onion, ginger and garlic. And let's get started. I peel the onion and cut into smaller pieces. It's a good idea to do it. And I'm going to make a paste, so I'm going to use a food processor. These are garlic cloves. Ginger cut into small pieces. Same thing with the green chili. So we're going to make a nice smooth paste. If you haven't tried like this, please try it. This is all done. Chicken is washed. We drain the water. And now I'm going to bring the mixing bowl. And we'll bring hot Sriracha sauce. And this is a perfect masala. We're going to mix it well. This is our marination. Look at that nice, beautiful color. Chicken drumstick, and I'm going to make a 2-cut. Many people have requested that why I don't use the skin on because kids don't like it. So this time I'm going to show you with the skin on. So each drumstick, let's make 2-cut. If the drumstick are too big, then make a 3-cut. 2-cut, perfect. So when we're going to marinate, the masala will go into the cut. So I'm going to finish up cutting all these the same way. Almost done, one more to go. I'm just trimming the extra fat from the skin and this is perfect. So now, with the both hands, we're going to massage it really well. And this is a good idea for the marination. When you do it overnight, then leave it in the fridge. Then next morning you make it, then it's perfect. I'm going to marinate only for 2 hours. We're going to put the plastic wrap. This is perfect. That's going to go in the fridge for 2 hours. Chicken is marinated for 2 hours. I just took it out of the fridge. The Sriracha gave us a nice color. So before putting it in, I'm going to mix it again one time. Look at this. I'm going to bring the tray. I'm going to share with you the most delicious chicken drumstick, which is going to be juicy, tender and moist. Please follow Easy Steps method. I'm going to place chicken drumstick right on top of it. We don't need to grease our tray. The oven is preheated at 500 degree Fahrenheit on bake. It's a 260 degrees Celsius and we're going to cook half an hour. And I'm going to turn the oven light on, and I had filled the bottom tray with hot water and it's boiling. So be careful when you're going to open it because it's really hot, steaming. So I'm going to place the tray right on top. And now we're going to close it. It's 4:44. We're going to cook it for half an hour. It's exactly 5:15, half an hour. I'm going to open it real quickly and be careful. Don't burn yourself. It's going to be real hot. I'm going to turn the chicken pieces over. We're going to keep it for 10 minutes. At 5:25, I'm going to turn it off. Another 10 minutes, we cooked on bake. I'm going to turn off the oven, let the chicken rest for another 5 minutes until it cools down. Then we're going to take it out. We waited another 5 minutes. Very much cooled down. Wow, look at these. My serving tray is ready and I'm going to take out and I'm going to share with you. Our delicious Sriracha chili sauce. Chicken drumsticks are ready. Sprinkle parsley flake on top of it. This is perfect. Please try it and you're going to like it. It's very moist and very juicy. This is the best party appetizer. This is really hot. When you cook with the Easy Steps method, look at this chicken itself. Cook all the way through. And it's all moist, super moist. It's fully cooked and it's still moist. Please try this method. When you cook chicken with the water, it cooks through the bone. Perfectly cooked and it's very tasty and delicious. Please try it and you're going to like it. I hope you like this recipe. Like always, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.